Hey, I'm Rodley from LemTask. Today I'm going to show you how to use Remember the Milk properly step by step. No advanced tricks, just a clean way to manage your tasks. This is Remember the Milk's homepage. For those who don't have it, the link is in the description below. For those who do, let's log back in. Remember, the milk is for people who like clean lists, people who enjoy checking TikToks off, and people who prefer a classic track manager that stays productive. The most common mistake is over organizing. Too many lists, too many tags, too many priorities. The system becomes heavier than the work. So, we are going to start on a clean, fresh new page. No extra lists, no filters, just the basics. This is where the tool works best. We are going to first add 5 tasks. Nothing more, nothing less. Only 5 tasks for now. That's all you need. Don't add any tasks above 5. Only 5 is enough. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to your old tasks here and I want you to add tasks. So I want you to write 5 tasks that you'll be actually participating and doing today. Reply to emails. So once you have written your first task, the only thing is right now is to add a due date. Once you have added the due date, excuse me for a second, the only thing left is to add the due date, and that's you add the due date, you add a priority, how high level it is. Priority 1 is the highest priority, priority 2 is the minimum one, priority 3 is a low, no priority at all. So you just give it a priority. If you want to add lists and tasks, you want, but there's no need for now. Location, you're estimating the time. If you want estimate the time, you can estimate from when I actually gonna do it. How long can it take? I can say it can take me an hour just to do all everything. If I'm willing to give it to somebody else, I can. But in this case, we're just scheduling tasks for ourselves. Once you do that, you just press add tasks. And as immediately as you can see, the task has been added right here below. Is reply to emails. So we're just going to do 4 more. Each task starts with an action that makes execution easier. Here's the daily flow. Tasks come in as you've written them down. You go into your today's inbox. Your today's inbox is strictly where your tasks that are scheduled to do today's day. This is where all of your tasks that you have assigned yourself to do today are. So today you are dealing with paying bill, follow up with the client, and gymming. Those are the tasks that you have assigned yourself to do today. Then if you go to your tomorrow, you are preparing meeting notes that's scheduled for tomorrow. And as you can see, this week for the past today and tomorrow, especially today, these are the things that you will be doing. You'll be gymming, paying your bill, following up with the clients. You decided what you will do today, then you will complete the task. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask. Tasks are captured quickly. You add task using voice and you start working when you press time. Few steps, fast execution. This is LemTask's homepage. For those who don't have LemTask, the link is in the description below. Once you click the link should take you here. You just sign up, full name, email, password. If you do have a promo code, and you can create your account. This is LemTask. So once you're in LemTask, you just go to the Brain Dome right here. Once you just do that, you will end up here, whereby you have multiple features on how to actually add tasks. For now, we will be focusing on the start voice feature, which is my personal favorite and which I love to do. So I'm just going to schedule two quick tasks right in front of you using this voice feature, show you how tasks are captured quickly. Having a meeting today with my CEO. CEO. Once you have done that, it's only a matter of you adding the time and rate the priority how high level it is for you. Then you just add and accept right here. I'm just going to do a second one. Reply to clients today. You can also customize the time right here. And you just add the priority and you just add the task like that. Once you have added your task, you just go into your today's dashboard. That's where the tasks that are waiting for you to do today's day. So by using the voice feature, I've already scheduled the task that I'm going to do today. What's only left for me is to wait for the time to start the task. I've already planned it. What's left for me is to start them and execute them. When I am starting my task, I love to use the focus timer here. This feature helps me to stay focused on that particular task that I'm doing. For example, as you can see, if I scroll straight below here, focus on task, I just go to reply clients because this is the task that I have to do today. Once I click on the task, I just pressed start timer. Then it's calculated 25 minutes. So I'll be focusing on doing this. If I don't finish, it's a matter of me just repeating the time after I'm finished. If I'm taking a break, I just have to just press start and just go on my break, depending if it's long or short. After I get back on the break, I get back to my focus and I continue with the task at hand. That's how I schedule and focus my task here in LemTask. Remember the milk is a solid task tool. It works best when you keep it simple. Clear actions, short list, and one calmly day flow. The tool doesn't need to be complex. The work just needs to move forward.